Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast outside the Hyatt Centric Key West Resort and Spa. Lots to see here on the outside, including birds, ponds, different animals. A little bit windy at the beginning of March 2025. Have an exotic bird here. My name is Odie. Please don't feed me. I may bite.
Okay, and then we'll meet you outside.
Pretty cool blue colors, perhaps macaw. On this side is see a pond with various turtles. 2 at the top and several in the water. Using my extendable stick so you can get a closer up view of these turtles. 1 at the bottom in the shade, several at the bottom in the shade under this sandy area. Some water spouts in the back. This says our turtle pond is maintained for your viewing enjoyment. Do not handle the turtles as they are fragile and may bite. Several on this end as well, on top of this deck. And some swimming in the back. Pretty cool area here with lots of different turtles. One up pretty close here looking at the camera. Get a good action shot of the turtle swimming. Coming right up to the side. So a pretty cool sight here. Really big one in the center. They're just hanging out. Welcome to Hyatt Centric, a freshwater turtle sanctuary. And on the other side, you can see more of the turtles and some more over here. Nice views at this Hyatt Centric in Key West, Florida. Lots of turtles to see. Turtle pond, 1 at the edge and several hanging out on this side. Coming to the back area, some hammocks and looks like a library area. Several books, book exchange and some art on this side. Some music, so I'm going to avoid that for YouTube monetization purposes. I'll come back and get another shot of the turtles and some more of the Hyatt Centric. And coming back to get a 360 view with the Insta360 X4 camera that I'm recording with. Nice to be in Key West, Florida, taking a break from the Celebrity Silhouette ship to take some views on land. And back to the bird Odie. You can see just hanging out here on the perch. Very calm. A little bit windy once again, but hopefully good for the audio quality. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Key West, Florida. Stay tuned for more content.